Minecraft is one of the most low graphic game which somehow still manages to use so many of your system resources that it starts to lag, and we have solution for not only one of the problem but both of them, and that is Optifine. Optifine is a visual enhancement mode for Minecraft Java Edition. It adds multiple visual enhancements such as dynamic light, bloom, depth of field, shaders and many more. We have explained shader and how to install them in another video. Click on I button to watch that one, but if you want to install Optifine and optimize your FPS and enhance graphic in Minecraft, let's get into the video. Open any of your preferred browser. In address bar type optifine.online or go to the link given in description. Click on download on home page and download the version you want. Then go to fabricmc.net, click on download here button and click on download universal jar. Now go to modrent.com, search for Fabric API and download it. Lastly, go to cursforge.com/minecraft, go to mod section and search and download optifabric. Open the location of downloaded Optifine file, double click on the file, in pop-up window select your Minecraft folder and click on install. Then copy all the other downloaded .jar file and paste them in mods folder inside the .minecraft folder. Now you can launch Minecraft and go to settings, video settings, then here you can tweak all the options provided by Optifine. To improve performance, set graphic to fast, simulate distance to 8, increase frame rate to maximum, set smooth light to minimum, GUI scale to, attack indicator off and dynamic light to fast. Now you can go to performance tab and turn on all these options. So that is it for this video. Like if you liked it, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.